Okay, so continuing in our theme of going into progressively faster cars, this time we are in the Formula Renault 3.5. Nearly 500 horsepower, open wheeler, no traction control, no ABS, complete driver input, and we are here at the Silverstone GP Circuit to see just how fast we can go. Right, T1 coming up, a little bit of a lift, blend onto the brake, let the downforce do the work through there, very nice, and then brake hard down to second gear into this new complex here at Silverstone, or new-ish anyway. It's been around for about 8 years now. This corner doubles back on itself. Be very patient with the throttle out of there. Don't hit it too hard. You're going to spin up the rear tyres. A little bit wide there onto Wellington Straight, but it doesn't matter. Carrying the speed. Now down to Brooklands. Going to just be off 6th gear. The lights on this wheel here flashing at me, begging to change gear, but between you and me, I like the sound of this engine a bit too much, so I'm not going to shift if I don't need to. Long right hand, you can see just how on edge this Formula car is. Of course, the Formula Renault series for a very long time was a well-known feeder series into Formula One, so some of the best drivers in our world cutting their teeth on this car through cops now. Be careful going to the outside of that curb, it drags you off. Don't want to be doing that now for one of the coolest complexes in the world, in my opinion, Maggots and Beckett's. Try and keep up as much speed as possible on the way through. Nice and tight through Chapel. There you go, nice. Plant the throttle, and now we let that glorious V8 behind us just push us down the straight. 160 miles per hour, 170 just before braking for Stowe. Here we go. She's a lively one, we'll give her that. Last part of a lap now. Keep it together, Jimmy. ABS kicking in. And there you go, we just about survive a lap in the Formula Renault 3.5. Our time at the Silverstone GP Circuit is a 1:51.9, and I am sweating.
Does it have